Should you marry the one you love or marry for money? The enduring argument about whether to choose love or financial stability as the foundation for marriage remains a topic of contemplation and debate for prospective couples. While the romantic notion of marrying for love is deeply ingrained in societal narratives and ideals, the practical considerations related to financial security frequently play a substantial role in shaping decisions. In this discussion, we delve into the complexities of this dilemma and examine the various factors that influence individuals' choices when contemplating marriage. 1. Love as the cornerstone. The concept of marrying for love originates from the desire for companionship, emotional bonds, and alignment in values. For numerous individuals, finding a life partner who evokes love, admiration, and compatibility is paramount. Love becomes the foundation upon which couples build their bond, supporting each other through life's challenges and joys. Choosing to marry the person you love profoundly resonates with those who prioritize emotional fulfillment and intimacy in their relationships. 2. Financial stability and assurance. On the flip side, opting for financial security in marriage entails finding a partner capable of offering economic stability and material well-being. In the modern, intricate landscape of relationships, financial considerations heavily impact individuals' choices regarding marriage. Aspects like income, career potential, and shared lifestyle preferences frequently guide the selection of a life partner, as individuals strive to secure a stable and prosperous future for themselves and any prospective family. 3. Striking a balance between love and pragmatism. The decision to prioritize love or financial stability in marriage requires a delicate equilibrium between emotional satisfaction and pragmatic concerns. While love forms the basis of a rich and meaningful bond, financial stability provides a sense of assurance and tranquility. Couples must engage in candid and open communication, sharing their expectations, values, and visions for the future. By discovering shared ground and harmonizing priorities, couples can make informed decisions that respect both their emotional desires and practical requirements. 4. Influence of cultural and social factors. Cultural conventions, societal standards, and familial influences play a pivotal role in shaping individuals' viewpoints on marriage. In some cultures, arranged marriages driven by family factors, such as financial compatibility, are prevalent. Conversely, in societies that value personal autonomy and romantic notions, the importance of marrying for love is emphasized. Recognizing and navigating these cultural dynamics can impact individuals' choices and perspectives regarding marriage. 5. The pursuit of personal happiness. In the end, the decision to prioritize love or financial stability in marriage is profoundly individual and subjective. While financial stability undoubtedly plays a crucial role in guaranteeing a stable and secure future, emotional satisfaction and companionship are equally vital for overall contentment and wellness. Couples must evaluate their priorities, values, and long-term goals, aiming to find a harmonious balance that acknowledges both their emotional desires and practical requirements. Whether opting for love, financial security, or a combination of the two, the pursuit of happiness remains central to every union. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.